Samsung is preparing what could be its most important foldable phone in years with the Galaxy Z Fold 8. This phone matters more than usual because the foldable market is getting crowded and competition is heating up fast. Apple is rumored to launch its first foldable iPhone this year, but Apple isn't the only company Samsung has to worry about. OPPO is also stepping into the spotlight with a new foldable phone that could arrive much sooner than expected. According to recent reports, OPPO is getting ready to launch a new book-style foldable phone called the OPPO Find N6. What makes this interesting is the timing. The Find N6 is reportedly set to debut as early as March 2026, which means it could hit the market just weeks from now. That puts pressure on Samsung, especially if OPPO delivers something truly impressive. OPPO recently held an internal showcase of the Find N6, and some bold claims came out of it. One of the biggest highlights is the display crease. OPPO is reportedly claiming that the Find N6 has the shallowest display crease in the world. The crease has always been one of the biggest complaints about foldable phones, so if OPPO has really managed to reduce it significantly, that's a big deal. The rumored specs of the OPPO Find N6 are also very aggressive. It's said to feature a massive 200MP main rear camera, paired with a 50MP telephoto camera and a 50MP ultrawide camera. That camera setup alone puts it in flagship territory. On top of that, the phone is rumored to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which is expected to be one of the most powerful chips available. Battery life could be another area where OPPO tries to outshine Samsung. The Find N6 is rumored to come with a large 6000 mAh battery, which is huge for a foldable phone. Even more impressive is the charging speed. Reports suggest it will support 80W fast wired charging, meaning much quicker top-ups compared to most foldables on the market today. There are also rumors that the Find N6 will support a stylus, which would appeal to productivity-focused users. Samsung, of course, isn't standing still. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to bring some serious upgrades of its own. Samsung is rumored to be using a brand new OLED panel with a nearly invisible display crease. In fact, Samsung accidentally showed off this panel at CES 2026 last month before quietly removing it from its booth. While that slip-up doesn't confirm everything, it strongly suggests Samsung has made real progress in reducing the crease. In terms of performance, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is also expected to use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor. This is Samsung's custom-tuned version of the chip, usually offering slightly better performance and efficiency. The Fold 8 is rumored to come with a 5000 mAh battery, which is smaller than OPPO's, and 45W fast charging, which is noticeably slower than the Find N6 rumored 80W speeds. Camera-wise, Samsung is keeping things competitive. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to feature a 200MP primary camera, a 50MP ultrawide camera, and a 10MP telephoto camera. While this setup sounds powerful, OPPO's rumored camera combination looks more balanced, especially with its higher resolution telephoto lens. Design and build quality will also play a big role. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to have a slim aluminum body and water resistance, which is something Samsung has consistently done better than most competitors. However, one big question remains unanswered: S Pen support. It's still unclear whether the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will support the S Pen, and that could be a deciding factor for many fans. In the end, the foldable phone race in 2026 is shaping up to be intense. OPPO is coming in early with big battery promises, ultra-fast charging, and bold claims about its display crease. Samsung is relying on its experience, refined hardware, and ecosystem strength, with Apple also waiting in the wings. Foldable fans are in for an exciting year. The real winner will be whoever delivers the best balance of design, performance, battery life, and reliability in everyday use.